The United States' largest bank, now facing the bill for the largest corporate settlement in history. J.P. Morgan Chase will pay $13 billion as punishment for presenting bad mortgage-backed securities as good investments. A steep fine, says the country's top prosecutor, even for a company that made $95 billion in profits last year.
I hope that a message would be received that no matter the size of the institution, no matter how much time has passed, that this Justice Department, in conjunction with its partners, will hold you accountable, and that you will be expected to pay substantial amounts of money, that individuals who are involved are at risk, and this is something that we take very seriously, and that the Attorney General himself is a person who is intimately engaged in these investigations.
Chase saw its first losses under the leadership of CEO Jamie Dimon last month as they put money aside for the fine. The bank's actions contributed to the collapse of the U.S. housing market, forcing millions of homeowners with subprime mortgages into foreclosure, leaving millions more with homes worth less than their mortgage. $4 billion of the settlement is earmarked to help them either refinance or reduce their loans, a move welcomed by those who work with homeowners who are deep in debt.
When you have foreclosure rates like we see in Queens County, where in some neighborhoods 1 in 5 homes are facing foreclosure, 1 in 9 homeowners are more than 3 months behind in their mortgage payments, it's impossible to have a recovery.
New York's Attorney General co-chaired the state and federal task force that produced the deal, which doesn't stop Chase from taking a tax write-off for a portion of the settlement.
It has been written about, it has been documented, of the artificial inflation of the housing market that led to the bubble, that led to the crash. And I want to acknowledge that this is the first major step we've taken towards serious accountability by those who created the bubble and created the crash.
This agreement still leaves open the possibility of criminal charges against J.P. Morgan Chase and its executives. The New York State Attorney General predicts it will also open the doors for other banks to make similar settlements. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera, New York.